Unraveling, on the wrong track. A guide to understanding this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might have heard but could be wondering about its exact meaning and usage. On the wrong track. So, grab your notebooks, because we're about to embark on an enlightening journey to understand this phrase inside and out. The phrase, on the wrong track, is an idiom used to indicate that someone is pursuing a course of action or line of thought that is likely to result in failure or error. It suggests that the path chosen does not lead to the desired outcome and that a re-evaluation of one's approach is necessary. This phrase can be applied to various situations, from personal endeavors to professional projects. While the exact origins of "on the wrong track" are not clear-cut, it is generally believed to stem from the railway terminology of the 19th century. Back in the days of extensive railway construction and use, choosing the wrong track could literally send a train to an unintended destination. This physical misdirection easily translated into a metaphor for effort or thought heading towards an incorrect or unproductive outcome. To help you grasp how "on the wrong track" is used in everyday language, let's look at a few examples. 1. In academics, if you believe that studying the night before the exam is enough, you're definitely on the wrong track. 2. In relationships, trying to make someone jealous to get their attention usually means you're on the wrong track. 3. In professional life, if our sales have been declining for months, perhaps our current marketing strategy is on the wrong track. These examples illustrate the phrase's versatility in expressing misdirection across different aspects of life. Realizing you're on the wrong track is the first step toward correction. Here are some tips to get back on the right path. Reflect and acknowledge. Take time to understand why the current approach isn't working. Seek advice. Sometimes, an outside perspective can provide valuable insights into what you might be missing. Adjust and adapt. Be willing to make changes to your strategy or thinking based on your reflections and the advice you've received. Understanding and using the phrase, "on the wrong track," can add depth to your communication, allowing you to express concern, offer advice, or reflect on your own choices with greater nuance. We hope this exploration helps you navigate not just the English language but also the decision-making paths in your life. Remember, recognizing you're on the wrong track is a sign of wisdom, not failure. Until our next linguistic journey, keep learning and stay curious.